Story of patience and purpose.
Every great idea begins quietly, before the world is awake. This is where dreams first breathe.
In the heart of nature, creativity finds courage. No walls, no limits, only imagination.
Creation begins with touch, with patience, with belief in what cannot yet be seen. Every masterpiece is born on paper first. Lines become ideas. Ideas become reality. Strong foundations create fearless dreams. What you build today supports tomorrow.
When nature watches, it reminds us we are meant to create.
Passion attracts attention. Silent dedication always speaks the loudest. Color brings emotion. Emotion brings life. This is where dreams awaken. Greatness lives in the details. Small efforts create unforgettable results. True design respects nature. It listens. It blends, not battles. Time rewards patience. The longer you stay committed, the brighter it becomes. Inspiration spreads silently. One dream can ignite many. The reward is not applause. It is knowing you created something meaningful. Your vision deserves space. Let it grow. Let it inspire the world. Dream boldly. Create fearlessly. The world is waiting. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.